Hi, Kadrian here from KadrianThomas.com, bringing you the best tips, tools, and ideas to help you develop and hone your craft as a beginner saxophone player. So, if it's your first time here, consider subscribing as I share one new video like this one every Thursday. And also remember to check out my saxophone covers that I post here each week. Now, if you've not yet watched my video, the 5-minute rule, I want you to take a look at that, as this is a follow-up lesson building on the principles taught in that video. I'll link it in the cards above. So one of the most important components of developing your sax skills is that you must work on your sound daily. Now, today, I'll share with you how to improve your sound by spending just 5 minutes. So how do you build your tone in 5 minutes? Now, for this to work, you need 4 pieces of equipment. A working saxophone, of course. I know you know that, right? Secondly, you will also need a timer, and I am using this little cheap kitchen timer that I bought here in China, and you'll need also a metronome so that you can keep things in good timing. The 4th piece of equipment you'll need is that you need a tuner, and I'm using this CA1 chromatic chord guitar tuner, which is very reliable. And I know you already know how to play your sax or to use your sax. So what we'll do is that we'll pick 5 notes on the saxophone that we'll play, some long notes, and we'll go up and down the horn using only those 5 notes chromatically. So we're going to choose 5 notes. We're going to choose D, E flat, E, F, and F sharp. So all these keys here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's your D. Then we're going to add the pinky finger. After we play D, we're going to go to E flat. Then we're going to go up to E. Then we're going to go up to F. Then we're going to go up to F sharp, go back down to F, back down to E, back down to E flat, back down to D. And those are the 5 notes that we are going to play. So you're going to set your timer for 5 minutes, and we're going to go up and down the horn using these 5 notes. Secondly, we're going to set the metronome to 80 beats per minute, but since you may not be able to blow for long, that is where we will start. Okay? The faster the metronome, the shorter the time you spend blowing each note. The slower the metronome, the longer the time you'll spend blowing each note, which means that you'll develop better breath control and a stronger embouchure over time as you decrease the speed of the metronome. Example, going down to 78 BPM, beats per minute, or 60 beats per minute, and so on. Then thirdly, we will blow each note for 8 counts. So I'm going to demonstrate this. So I'm going to put on a beat. Instead of using the metronome, I'm going to put on a little beat playing at 80 BPM, and we will play the 5 notes, and I'll show you exactly how to use these 5 notes. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how should you use this technique? Well, you should use this technique every single day. practice those 5 notes for 7 days, and after 7 days choose 5 more notes. But this time you're starting at E flat and you go up to E, F, F sharp, G, and you decrease your metronome by about 2 beats per minute, and you repeat the process. Then the next week you start at E, going all the way up to your G sharp chromatically, and you keep going up all the way on your horn until you reach the highest note that you can play. And by doing this, what you're doing, you're spending equal amount of time over the entire range of your horn. Therefore, you'll get a more balanced sound over time. Now, if you want to get an advanced strategy to speed up the process of building your tone even bigger and faster, check out the link in the description below. I'll send you my free, yes, my free advanced tone builder course. So, what's stopping you from getting the beautiful tone you desire out of your horn? Remember, small, daily, consistent, seemingly insignificant improvements when done over time will yield stunning results. And ideation without execution, it is a delusion, according to Robin Sharma. Peace out.